degrees, and light rain was falling. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for southwest Missouri, including the cities of Springfield, Branson, Lebanon, and surrounding communities. This afternoon, partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and small hail. Hot. Near steady temperature in the upper 80s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a chance of thunderstorms. Showers likely, mainly in the evening. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and small hail. Lows in the lower 60s. The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Greene County until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Ash Grove, or 8 miles northwest of Republic, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northwestern Springfield, Republic, Willard, Ash Grove, Walnut Grove, Brookline, Glidewell, Sackville, Cave Springs, Ebenezer, and Bois d'Arc. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 59 and 68. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Greene, Missouri,